Alright folks, how to make a McRib in less than 10 minutes. Time to grill! My favorite online butchery, gourmetfleisch.de, has new products coming up in their assortment. So there you go, boneless ribs. So these are some already pre-cooked, prepared boneless ribs. So ribs completely without bones. Yeah, you're completely right. You don't have to take the time for 6 hours if you just want to make a fast and easy version. So today we are giving this a shot, and these have a weight of 400 till 700 grams each, and they are marinated in a barbecue sauce. And I don't know if you are into convenience food somehow, so already prepared a little bit. I decided to give it a shot today. So all we have to do is open it up, and we're gonna put this on the grill 160 degrees Celsius indirect heat for 10 minutes, and they are completely done and we are able to eat them. So of course it's fun to make ribs over 6 hours, over 4 hours, and how long it takes, whatever it takes. But sometimes I like to have express version. So good to know if these work or not. So that's the result. We're gonna take them out. This is how they look like. You can now throw them on the grill, and sometimes I feel like I have to add more. So right now we are able to add cheese now, jalapenos, bacon, diced bacon, French onions, yellow onions, spring onions, whatever we like right now, because we don't have to get rid of the bones anymore. So a lot of creativity and ideas for that possible. So that's the piece we need for our rib burger. I call this McRib copycat, but of course this is better than the McRib because it's much fresher. And I will slice this up for you so you can see how tender and juicy these are and how the meat really looks. I really like it. My kids like it as well. They're really into ribs and into burger. We had a lot of these in 2018. So that's it. I like it. And right now we are ready to build our McRib burger now. So we're gonna get started with a brioche bun, which is roasted a little bit. Then some sweet barbecue sauce, some lettuce, then because that's exactly what Imho is missing on original McRib. Then the piece of rib meat, and what a huge amount of rib meat without any bones. I like that idea. So some diced fresh onions for more freshness, the other part of the bun. And of course I'm gonna give this a shot right now. It would be really cool if you subscribe to 0815 Barbecue. If you haven't subscribed yet, there will be the logo upcoming in the left side of the screen. You can just click on it and you won't miss any other videos. Make sure to pull on notifications. Please visit my Patreon site, my other fan pages. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.